Jerry from PressureWasher.net and Sirocco Performance Vacuums. I want to show you the latest on our vacuuming surface cleaner. We've added a few accessories and tools, no extra charge. We're keeping the price down. We're increasing the performance. We want you guys to go fast. So we have a typical trigger gun combination here on our surface cleaner that you're familiar with, but we've upgraded the quick coupler to an all stainless steel slip ring instead of the twist fast that comes on a Mossmatic. So this makes it very easy to take this on and off. It also makes it a lot faster for connecting to the Sidekick wand. This particular customer that owns this wanted variable pressure. Variable pressure wand in a holster that is convenient, with a quick coupler that's easy. Snap it back on, push and go. It's all about performance and work speed. This is a filter. This is added for your protection of the swivels and for the nozzles. You got to check it once in a while. You don't want it to blast through from being overloaded, but it is there to protect the nozzles from getting plugged. It is to cut down on the debris that comes out of your heater coil that wants to go in there and damage the swivel. We use the best swivels available, but the better you protect it, the longer it's going to last. So we have filtered water coming through this hose going down to the deck. Now, before I get to the deck, I want to say a lot of you guys want to use a 7, 8, 9 gallon a minute pressure washer in a 21-inch deck or 24-inch deck. That's fine as long as you take the opportunity to upgrade to a 3 nozzle or even a 4 nozzle spray bar, so you're spreading that flow out to more nozzles. You're getting more spray pads as the rotating bar is spinning, and you can go faster because you've got more of a path. Okay, so let's visualize. This is set up for a 3.5 to, let's say, a 6 gallon a minute pump system with 2 nozzles. That's fine. That'll allow us a guy to go fast with the 25-degree spray nozzle. That's fine. But if you've got more flow and you want to go faster, you want a bigger spray pattern, and the way to do it is multiple nozzles. I also want to draw your attention back to this hose. This is only a 1/4 inch hose. This is fine for 3, 4, 5 gallons a minute, even 6 gallons a minute. But 8, 9 gallons a minute, we need to upgrade this to a 3/8 hose. Just say so, and we can upgrade the hose for you. We can upgrade the spray bar for you. We're gonna match this to exactly what you need for your application. While I have this up, I also want to show you our insert is a major upgrade, and there's no competition for this. I have a patent on it. What we're doing is we're sucking water right from around the perimeter of this thing. We're not trying to make a suction cup out of the whole thing, and by drawing the airflow right down at the bottom, it pulls the water away from the spray nozzles, actually increasing the effectiveness of your water spray on the surface, because we're pulling the water away from, instead of spraying through a puddle. This is a very efficient way to clean with high pressure. So going fast is about having it set up to work properly with your system, and convenience is going to give you work speed. Being able to switch to a Sidekick wand or whatever, taking this thing on and off is made easy, so you can go fast. The hose is coming off the back end here of this device sideways, so that it stays tight when you're next to a wall. You want to be able to get up next to a wall, so we're bringing the hose up this way very nicely. We also have what we call a hose leash, which you can attach to these hoses. Put the hose leash on your belt, and you're towing the hoses with your legs instead of your shoulders. A lot of you guys work way too hard for a living. Why not put the hoses against your waist instead of your shoulders? You'll last longer on those big jobs, especially parking garages and things like this. I also want to draw your attention to a little safety matter. You know, I've seen a lot of people get up in front of a vacuuming surface cleaner and have trouble tripping over hoses. I want you to see what hose management looks like. Down here, down this sidewalk, I can push this thing forward, and with those hoses on one side, I can go down, I can turn around and come back, I can do the whole sidewalk without having to touch those hoses. When you lay your hoses correctly, number one, they're safer for you, they're safer for other people. There's a cone down there next to the doorway right there that you can't see in this shot, but when somebody walks out the door, there's a cone right there so that they can recognize that there's something to look at on the ground. Maybe they won't trip over the hoses. These are important things. So, work smart, be safe, go fast. Sirocco Vacuums, supporting the work.